So like I said that the Ramayana belongs to the whole world. Ramanand Sagar ji ke jo Ramayana tha, that was the first visual representation of the Ramayana that we saw. So I think the Starcast was intentionally chosen to be fresh.
Hi guys, welcome to Spotboy. This is Anita in conversation with director Kunal Kohli. Hi, welcome to Spotboy.
Hi Anita, thank you for having me on Spotboy.
Thank you so much for bringing Ramayan on our Chota Wala screen. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. It is. I think it's been a dream, possibly since I was a child. Because whenever you read the Ramayana or hear the Ramayana or watch the Ramayana, you always interpret it in your way in terms of visually. When you're reading it as a text, you make visuals in your head. And I think it's very nice that in these troubled times, in these disturbed times, we've had the opportunity to bring to the audiences our texts, our mythology, and give it and use the best available technology for that to bring the new tech, to bring it with a new technology and all the resources that are there today.
Right. So, I'll begin from बचपन से, like you said, हम लोग बचपन से देखते आ रहे हैं रामायण. What are your early memories of Ramayana when you used to see on DD channel?
I think उससे पहले मैंने अमर चित्र कथा कॉमिक पढ़ी, and that was the first time जब मैंने रामायण पढ़ी अमर चित्र कॉमिक्स में. उसके बाद कहानियां बोल चाहे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स या पेरेंट्स हो, फिर रामानंद सागर जी की रामायण देखी. That was the first visual रामायण that I saw. स्कूल में आए 2 बार प्लेस भी किए हमने, but रामानंद सागर जी के जो रामायण था, that was the first visual representation of the Ramayana that we saw. And of course that will always remain a cult that has a special place in our hearts, as not just filmmakers but just as an audience, as an audience that has a place in our hearts, and it will always have that special place in our hearts. And what is lovely is that the legendary actors and the actors from that Ramayana have given us their blessings. They've blessed us on Instagram. They've sent us very warm messages wishing us the best. And I think that that's such a wonderful thing to do. I'm so gracious of them and so nice of them to do that for us.
Right. So, like you mentioned, you have read this in the Chitrakatha. But हम लोग एक character को बहुत ही पसंद करते हैं. Like we always have one character in Ramayana. Everyone has a different character that they love. Who was your favorite?
It's very difficult to pick one. I will pick all the women of the Ramayana, because I think the women of the Ramayana show such strength, grace, courage, and they also drive the narrative forward. Every twist and turn in the Ramayana happens because of a woman. It's a woman who's controlling the entire narrative of the Ramayana. The way the women behave changes the whole story and takes the whole story forward. And I think if anyone genuinely believes in the Ramayana and loves the Ramayana and has got anything from the Ramayana, they should use what they should get is to respect and love and appreciate women, because that's what the Ramayana teaches us in a very strong way.
Right. Very true. Also, you wanted this Ramyuk to, it was made for the big screen. It was made for theater. But unfortunately, because of the current situation, it is releasing on OTT platform. When you planned this film, what were the thoughts in your mind? Like, were you 110% sure that people are going to come to the theaters to watch Ramayana, what they've been watching since a very long time?
Well, I don't. First of all, I don't think it's unfortunate that we are coming on OTT. I think we're very fortunate. I think MX is a huge platform, and if I'm not mistaken, one of the largest platforms in the country with the largest subscriber base, which just means, in normal language, huge audience. Huge audience is what we want as filmmakers. We just want maximum number of people to watch what we've made. And if that is available and accessible to us on OTT, so be it. That's very good. If in these troubled times, when everyone is sitting at home, and even at home, everyone is by themselves, you are watching something, someone else in your house is watching something, सब अपने phone, tablet या laptop या TV पे लेके अलग-अलग बैठ के देख रहे हैं. Nobody is sitting together anymore. But Ramyog gives the opportunity for the whole family to come together and watch something. And I think that is what is interesting about it. So I think I'm very fortunate to come on OTT. And yes, we made it as a feature film. There's no hiding from that. There's no running away from that. But it gave us an opportunity to use that, and we made it as 2 feature films. So we had 4 hours of content. What is a feature film? What is a web series? It is content. It is content that you want. We had here 4 hours of content that now we edited differently for the web. So that's what we. Yeah, so we've edited it differently in terms of what it would have been edited for a feature film. It's not edited like that. It's edited as a web series. So I think that's the exciting part of it now.
So when you were making it as a feature films, did you have the cast was same, or did you have some other cast in mind?
No, the cast has been the same. We shot it earlier. Like I said, the editing and the post-production changed. The cast is the same because I believe that we should have a mix of different actors, some new, some established in different territories, in different regions. So Ramayana just doesn't belong to one particular part of India. It belongs to the whole of India. It doesn't belong just to India. It belongs to the whole world. Okay, you go out of India, you travel out of India, and people know and love the Ramayana. They perform the Ramayana in Thailand, in Bali, in Indonesia, in Japan, all of Southeast Asia. They perform the Ramayana. So the Ramayana is known and loved all over the world. So I didn't want to restrict, choosing actors just from the Hindi film industry. So we've got people from every industry representing. We've got different actors playing different roles, very, very different kind of roles that they haven't played before. Like Tiska Chopra plays Kaikai, which I think is so wonderful. It's such a lovely thing that she agreed to play that role and do that role. So I think the Starcast was intentionally chosen to be fresh.
Okay. The cherry on the cake is Mr. Bachchan's voice.
Yes.
Who's Hanuman Chalisa he's reciting. Was it difficult to get him on board? Was it easy to get him on board?
Well, it was Rahul Sharma, my music director. I worked with him in Mujhse Dosti Karoge. And we had, when he finished the song, Aman Akshar, the lyrics writer, finished writing it. So then Rahul gave me a whole structure of the song in his music room. He was playing it on the santoor. He made me hear the whole thing. And then I just told him, I said, Rahul, what we need in this song, we need Zakir Bhai's tabla. We need Zakir Bhai to play the tabla. And we need Mr. Bachchan to sing it. And we both thought, okay, it's a little over ambitious, but let's try. Let's give it a shot. So Rahul messaged Mr. Bachchan. Rahul messaged him. And Mr. Bachchan said he will try and do it. So we should send him the tracks. Zakir Bhai agreed. Zakir Bhai gave a date that he would be in India and he would come on this date and he would record. The date Zakir Bhai was to record, that morning Mr. Bachchan sent the tracks to Rahul. And, so gracious of him, so nice of him that he did that for us. And it's wonderful. I mean, it was just, it was a blessing. We were blessed by the two of them, by these two legends. That they agreed to be part of this.
Yeah, when you hear Mr. Bachchan's voice, you actually get goosebumps. No matter what, you actually get goosebumps. So that is one of the best thing I think Ramyog is giving us. Apart from the great VFX and the other thing, how difficult was it for you to, shoot in such large with VFX and the other? I think you all shot in Mauritius, if I'm not wrong, in the forest. How difficult was it?
So like I said, that the Ramayana belongs to the whole world. It is something the whole world loves and accepts. Mauritius has a lot of people of Indian origin, primarily running the government there. They're all from Indian origin, and they love the Ramayana. They call themselves Chota Bharat. If you speak to the of Mauritius, they say hum Chota Bharat hai. In their French, Hindi, they say hum Chota Bharat hai. They have a Banganga over there. In the middle of Mauritius, they have a Banganga. They are so much they are so connected with our culture and our mythology. So the government of Mauritius really supported us. The banks in Mauritius supported us. So it was very nice that we got this support from them. We shot in the forest. Generally, people look at Mauritius as only a country with beaches and beach resorts, but the entire part of Mauritius is forest area and green forest all year round. They're green. So we used those locations. We used a lot of local talent in terms of supporting artists. Now, doing that, we also shot a lot in India. All our sets were put up in India. We shot a lot in India as well. So it's a balance of both. And honestly, being in Mauritius felt like we are being back in India because the people were so loving and caring and of Indian origin that we didn't feel we were shooting somewhere else. It was sometimes difficult for some of the actors because we were shooting in forests. There were genuine bugs and things like that in the forest were biting all of us. It was difficult to shoot in these forests, but it was. I hope the experience has been worth it and everyone loves what we made.
Yeah. So कोई scene भी है where you have to create the पानी के ऊपर वो पत्थर डाल के
The Ram Setu. हाँ जी.
So was that how was shooting that particular scene?
So it's a mix of visual effects and real. We shot by the water. We shot on real rocks. They walked on real rocks in the water, and then a lot of some of the shots were by visual effects. We have a wonderful team in Contilo. Contilo has done a wonderful job of the visual effects of that portion and lots of other portions of the show. So it was very interesting, challenging because you have to be specific when you're shooting visual effects. You have to know पहले से what you're shooting. आप शूट करके बाद में नहीं पहुंच सकते विजुअल इफेक्ट स्टूडियो के पास भैया हमने शूट कर दिया अब ये बनाओ उसका नहीं उस हिसाब से शूटिंग करनी पड़ती है. So we shot as per a storyboard. We made a storyboard for all the visual effects sequences. Then we shot as per that. Then we gave it to our visual effects team to execute and produce. And I think Contilo has done a wonderful job of the visual effects that they've done.
All right. Kunal, moving away from Ramyu, you have been an excellent director in terms of coming out with romantic films. When do we see you directing something like that?
Very soon, I hope. There are talks about some scripts and subjects. Some scripts are being written. Some scripts are being locked. Very soon, I should be making another love story. But I have to say that there's a lot of love and romance in the Ramayana as well. In the days when some other characters in mythology had multiple wives, Ram, just one, and his devotion and love to his wife was unparalleled. And in fact, it is a model of love and romance towards your partner. Which both of them share. So I think that love is so beautiful and it's so strong that it is truly epic and legendary and filled our mythology with this beautiful love that they both share for each other.
But would you like to give me some more details about the script that you finalized?
Not right now. We are just finishing the scripting part of it. So once we finish the scripting, then we go forward for the casting. Then after that, it would be more appropriate time to discuss it. Not right now.
Okay, instead of this, I'm going to ask you this. Would we see you making another epic, like a Mahabharata or something on a similar line?
I didn't know I'll have the opportunity to meet the Ramayana, but given the opportunity, I would love to do any kind of content, whether it is a love story, whether it is a mythology, whether it is a historical, whether it's an action thriller, anything. I am open to directing all kinds of content, all kinds of stories.
All right. So, well, on that note, thank you so much, Kunal. It was lovely having a conversation with you.
Thank you,
And
Anita.
wishing you all the very best for Ramyu. Looking forward to it. Just 2 days more. 6th,
Thank
right?
you, Anita. Yes.
2 days more. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. Take care. Bye.